Hi love, welcome to a new day and a new video. Still on our 31 days pronunciation journey. Today we're going to be pronouncing this 50 plus. It is 50 plus today. Okay, we have 50 plus words, all right? So we're going to be pronouncing them. So without wasting much of our time, let's go right into it. Let's go. Perish, perish, perish. Famish, famish, famish. Cherish, cherish, cherish. Finish, finish, finish. Lavish, lavish, lavish. Garnish, garnish, garnish. So we have perish, famish, cherish, finish, ravish, garnish. Okay, so we have sluggish, sluggish, polish, polish, tarnish, tarnish, barnish, barnish. Dish, dish. Replenish, replenish. So we have sluggish, sluggish, polish, polish, tarnish, tarnish, barnish, barnish. Dish, replenish, replenish, replenish. I hope you're actually pronouncing alongside with me. So on this stage 1, how many did you score right? Let's go to phrase 2. So we have tedious, 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 hilarious, 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 anxious, 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 serious, 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 courteous, 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 fallacious, fallacious, fallacious. Okay, right here we have fabulous, fabulous. This is dios, this is rios, dios, rios, eos, rios, eos, rios. So the I right on this side is not on the other side. Look very well so you got to understand what I meant. Okay, so let's go on. We have fabulous, 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 dangerous, 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 hazardous, 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 ruminous, 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 generous, 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 vigorous, vigorous, vigorous. So we have tedious, tedious, hilarious, hilarious, anxious, anxious, serious, serious, courteous, courteous, fallacious, fallacious, fabulous, fabulous, dangerous, dangerous, hazardous, hazardous, luminous, luminous, generous, generous, vigorous, vigorous. So how many did you get right on this one? Okay, let's see the third section. So let's go. Contemplate, 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 tolerate, 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 accurate, 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 articulate, 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 fabricate, 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 terminate, 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 elaborate, 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 desperate, 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 desolate, 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 demonstrate, 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 manipulate, 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 sophisticate, sophisticate, sophisticate. So we have contemplate, contemplate, tolerate, 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 accurate, accurate, articulate, articulate, fabricate, fabricate, terminate, terminate, elaborate, elaborate, desperate, desperate, desolate, desolate, demonstrate, demonstrate, manipulate, manipulate, sophisticate, sophisticate. So how many did you get right on this one? Keep noting it down. So let's see the next section. Diligent, 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 succulent, 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 benevolent, 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 detriment, 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 despondent, 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 parent, 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 jubilant, 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 reluctant, 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 relevant, 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 indignant, 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 significant, 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 exuberant, exuberant, exuberant. Okay, we have diligent, succulent, benevolent, detriment, despondent, parent, jubilant, reluctant, relevant, indignant, significant, exuberant. Okay, diligent, succulent, benevolent, detriment, despondent, parent, jubilant, reluctant, relevant, indignant, significant, exuberant. Okay, so how many do you have, or how many do you score in total? Let's see. And the last phrase we have massive, massive, massive. Repulsive, repulsive, repulsive. Exclusive, exclusive, exclusive. Inclusive, inclusive, inclusive. Confident, confident, confident. Expensive, expensive, expensive. Residence, residence, residence. Nuisance, nuisance, nuisance. Hindrance, hindrance, hindrance. Frantic, frantic, frantic. Basic, basic, basic. Dynamic, dynamic, dynamic. So we have massive, massive. Repulsive, repulsive. Exclusive, exclusive. Inclusive, inclusive. Confident, confident. Expensive, expensive. Residence, residence. Nuisance, nuisance. Hindrance, hindrance. Frantic, frantic. Basic, basic, basic. Dynamic, dynamic, dynamic. All right, so how many did you score in total from the phase 1 to the last one? How many did you score? You can tell me that in the comment section. And in case you're just joining me, so welcome to the channel. This is what we do. Right now we are on a 31 days pronunciation journey, and if you love what we do, you want to join us, you can do that simply by subscribing. And when you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back today. Don't forget, we are still practicing all the sounds we've studied so far in this 31 days journey. So if you're just joining us, make sure to watch from video 1, day 1 till date, so you got to understand how we leveled up to this point. Okay, and thank you for watching. See you soon in our next class. Catch you.